Yes, currently we have a team of about 13, 7 days a week, and well, for most of them it means full-time employment. I've got a great team that I work with that keep the site going, and my site supervisor Paul, he does a great job. Cleaning is definitely an entry-level job. We're more than willing to give anyone a go. We provide all site training, all the training that they need. And we're continuing to expand on every day. And my main role was to set up the team out at Fosterville, where we're more than willing to give anyone a go.